Starting with the numbers. As you may have realized, the biggest challenge in writing a business plan is filling it in with real and accurate information, especially financial information from relevant sources that you can quote to readers, primarily bankers and investors. A business plan based on best guess financial assumptions will not only not convince readers such as banks, but may lead to undue business risk. Starting with the numbers also determines whether the business is viable and whether the new business can provide adequate growth and profitability for the business owner. The goal of Business Plans Plus since 1998 has been to make the process for producing business plan financials as easy and efficient as possible, and have those financials reflect the real life-based experience of small firms in an industry. The retail sector financial templates provide a sound basis of real and empirical experience of existing businesses as derived from federal government tax returns. The business owner, accountant, or business plan writer can then simply modify the base financials to create various financial scenarios from the template default settings. Why use retail sector financial template primers? Business Plans Plus retail templates are representative of the financial experiences of hundreds of other business owners who have launched businesses in the same retail sector. Although new business owners using these templates may not experience the same results as the average or medium-small corporations in the samples, the templates serve as a sound point of reference. Here is an inside view of the first page of financial assumptions using our women's clothing store example. Default sales projections have been provided based on achieving median industry targets. Default cost, asset allocation, and financing assumptions are also provided on subsequent pages of the template. The user can then simply input information into the assumptions page to create a full set of financial projections. How have the retail template benchmarks been compiled? Statistics have been compiled from the latest published North American tax filing sources, including the Internal Revenue Service or equivalent North American government tax filing databases, such as the Canada Customs and Revenue Agency, as well as relevant industry associations data sources, such as the National Retail Federation and Retail Council of Canada. Business Plans Plus templates provide valid starting points for your retail business startup financials, including sales growth to attain the approximate median industry status in that retail sector, industry cost of goods sold benchmarks, industry operating expense benchmarks, accounts receivable and inventory turnover benchmarks, minimum startup capital benchmarks, minimum financing benchmarks, and initial potential asset allocation scenarios. Business Plan Plus templates also provide easy-to-read net income and cash flow graphs which instantly show the reader the impact of financial assumption changes, an accounting glossary that explains vital retail terminology, links to the major industry association for that specific retail sector, book titles to assist the business owner to learn more about operating a retail business, and links to easy-to-use and affordable business planning software. Here's a typical financial ratio summary for a woman's clothing store based on 1,945 corporate tax returns. Here is an example of the sales and revenue chart, which automatically reveals the impact of changes to financial assumptions as inputted by the reader. How does the process work for your business? Business Plans Plus has compiled a directory of over 50 retail financial benchmark template samples in Excel format available for download. The templates are available for download at no cost, but are print disabled and do not include the 9 key retail financial ratios for that retail sector. Your unique financial scenarios for the full 5 years can then be ordered through Business Plans Plus in print-enabled PDF format by uploading the Excel file financial scenarios onto the BPP website. Customized financials can also be developed by one of our MBA team members. A sample women's clothing retail sector financial template is available for download on the Retail Financial Sample page. Information on pricing and services is also available on the sample or directory templates. Template PDF packages start at $23. Specific retail sector templates can be directly accessed through the Retail Financial Directory page. So go ahead and start with the numbers.